Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Bumble's travel mode. Bumble travel mode allows you to connect with potential matches in different locations before you arrive there. Here's how to use it. The first step is launch the Bumble application on your mobile device. After that, tap on the profile icon, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, tap the gear icon in the upper left corner to open settings. After that, scroll down until you find Travel option and click on it. After that, click on Use Travel Mode button. Here, you can select the location, or you can also search from here. Select how long you want to active travel mode, typically up to 7 days. Once you have set your destination and duration, confirm your selection to activate travel mode. You can now swipe on profiles on the location you selected. When you arrive at the destination, you will have potential matches already waiting for you. Important notes is that Bumble Booster Premium is required. Travel mode is a feature available to Bumble Booster Bumble Premium subscribers. You may need to purchase a subscription if you don't already have one. Using travel mode can help you meet new people before you arrive, increasing your chances of connecting while you are traveling. By following these steps, you can effectively use Bumble's travel mode to meet new people in different locations. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.